Saudi Arabia, an organization fostering unity in the first Middle East and Africa region National Rizal Youth Leadership Institute Inter-School Talent and Skills Competition. Since 2021, he was honored to be elected Council President of Tanayan's OFW Incorporated, a hometown-based association of overseas Filipinos from Tanay, Rizal, assisting them in their integration programs and livelihood trainings. He was also a recipient of the prestigious Outstanding OFW Men 2023 Award conferred by the OFW Congress Eastern Province, KSA, recognizing his dedication, exemplary work performance, and significant contributions to the Migrant Worker 2025 Award, Mr. Enrique M. Piquil.
Such as the founding president of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, Eastern Province, Saudi Arabia, founding vice president of the Association of Filipino Engineers, member of the school of G. Mapal. For over 16 years as an overseas Filipino worker, he has not only excelled as a certified public accountant, but has become a beacon of hope and a powerful catalyst for positive change. Certified Management Accountant Review Program, which has empowered 15 individuals to attain CMA certification, boosting the global competitiveness of Filipino accountants. His love for community service also prompted him to hold 2019. These honors are strong testaments to his finely honed skills, consistent dedication, and ongoing pursuit of excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our Outstanding Migrant Worker 2025 awardee.
Ilan? Diyan lang sa gitna. Diyan lang sa gitna. Apat pa lang kayo. Committee kayo ng raffle. Okay. Nasaan na yan? O, 5? Okay. Kung sino yung pinakamagaling sa inyo, siya yung mag-uwi ng 5 sakong bigas. Music Maestro. 1, 2, okay. May judges tayo dyan. Music. Okay. Kung sino pinakamagaling, siya mag-uwi yung 5 sakong bigas. Anong pangalan mo, ate?
Marlene po.